In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to activate the anonymous mode in Battlefield 6. Enjoy! So start by pressing this gear icon here to open the settings. Now move to the system. And here in Creator tab, you can see the streamer mode and anonymous mode. If you are a streamer and you want to show this game to other people, then you should probably activate this option to be not sniped by other people who is watching your stream. So if you activate this one, then your IP appears different to all other players on the server, and players will not be able to see your actual Battlefield ID. So this is a very helpful option. Also, you should enable the streamer mode, so when it's enabled, the IDs of other players playing on your server appear differently to you, so you can't, of course, stalk other people by using the Battlefield ID. That would be all for today. I hope you like this video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!